How you doing, Charles? Just wanted to give you an overview of everything. So right now we excavate in this area, and we had excavate a little bit here, because we using the engineer using a drone software to check certain things. He noticing some type of rock formation here. I don't know if it's a wall that was built by these people, but what we're looking to do is to start the road from here until right here, so maybe right here, wherever the rock formation stop. Then we're going to do here as a next phase. I'm going to send the information I have now. I was kind of, what had me hold up is the GB, but now we passed that, but the guy on vacation, so I will just send a rough estimation that a third party make, providing that we're going to, once the guy come back, we're going to update it. I have the cost for the concrete up until here. Let me see what else. Yeah, so I'll send in those costs for now. In terms of the agreement, there are some things you had mentioned that you wanted in the agreement. I'm going to, when I email you, just send it in an email so the lawyer could incorporate it. This lot here, area 1, 371, and 1,511. These two, the investor was interested in. So everything else, whoever you have with the sales could do the thing. Just this one, he was interested in. Let's say these two. Can I show these three? Can I show which combination exactly? So just letting you know. I think it's these two he gonna take, but yeah, just letting you know. I would like to have some sort of arrangement with A&A Supply for certain things that we need, and that we pay it, let's say, in 30 days or 60 days. I don't know how we could arrange it, but it makes sense for us to take it from them, since, you know, they're the owners of the property. I just think it's a benefit. So let me know on that. I would also like to have a ceremony when we break ground, which is good for public outreach. So let me know on that too. Yeah? All right. Bye-bye.